we're gonna talk in this video. We're gonna talk about default params that was introduced in ES6 or ES 2015. So first of all, we're gonna do the things. We're gonna do an example with how we were doing things before ES6. So I'm gonna do a function that adds three numbers. Okay, that receives A, B, and C as params. Okay, and if we wouldn't send one of these params, or if it would be undefined, we wouldn't want these function to give us an error. So we were doing something like this: A equals A pipe 0. If we wouldn't receive any value for A, we would replace it with 0, and we're gonna do the same for B and C. Okay, and then we will do like return A plus B plus C. Okay, gonna do a console log. Sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals, and we're going to add three numbers, and we're gonna send 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and I'm gonna use here a node, because in node you have more than 90%. I have node 7 installed, so we have more than 90% of ES6 features already implemented in node. So I'm gonna do node and the file name. Okay, so it's 6. So let's try, for example, if we would send just 1 or 2. 1 and 2 without 3. It should not break, and it shows it's 3. So for example, if I would comment this out and try it now, it's gonna give me a none, because it's gonna try to add 1 plus 2 plus undefined, so it gives me not a number. Okay, so this is how we were doing things before ES6. Okay, so I'll leave it this like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do a function add 3 with default params. So it's A, we're gonna do here A equals 0, B equals 0, and C equals 0. So what this will do, in case it doesn't receive any value for A, it's gonna automatically assign the value 0. The same for B and the same for C. So we just do return A plus B plus sorry guys, C. So we're gonna do a console. Actually, I'm gonna copy this, comment it out, and add three numbers, default. Okay, and let's try it in the terminal. We're gonna run node with the file name, and it's 6. So it works perfectly. Okay, and let's see if we don't send the 3. I'm gonna delete it from here also. See, it works like a charm. And the thing is, it looks much cleaner with the default params, because as you can see here, there were a lot of, you had to declare 3 new variables, pipe them, and this is just 3 lines of code. This is much more. So it's, I believe it's much cleaner with default params, and it's it's really clear that if a you don't receive a, it's equals 0, and you have it here in the, where you do the function, the name, and where you add the params. It's much cleaner. Okay, so that's it with the default params. Have a nice day, guys.